Hello everyone, my name is Bob and I am really glad I can be part of this AbsolutSweat examination today. As for me, I'm really into workouts, so I like to keep the track of my body data and my metabolism. And actually, before I used to buy a lot of these gadgets that can help you track, like watches, bracelets and stuff, but they're actually not really reliable. And I heard that AbsolutSweat monitor can actually track your data in real time, which is great. I mean, because during the workouts, you lose a lot of sweat and a lot of sodium, potassium, which can have a huge impact on your workout, on your muscles, on your heart. And what I want to see is actually I want to try this product and try this professional products that and compare the data so we can see how much is AbsolutSweat monitor actually reliable. So I'm really excited. Okay, so let me tell you what we are going to do. So we have two phones, one that is connected to a Dexcom blood sugar level monitor, and I have my own for the last 2 days. We have some, this one is for sodium, so for sodium level, and for potassium level, we're gonna check from the sweat that I'm going to collect, and the other phone is for AbsolutSweat monitor gadget. So let me show you how you're gonna put it on. It's actually really small and really convenient. The first thing you need to do is to flip the gadget and take off the patch. When you do that, just press it down and pull out the gadget, remove the patch, and it's ready to go. You can put it wherever you want. I'm gonna put mine on my chest. Okay, and now let's turn it on. So press the start button, choose the assault bike. I have my rest, moderate, choose the sport drink, start workout, and start in 3, 2, 1. And also we can check the more related. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so now let's collect the sweat so we can check the electrolytes. Okay people, first let me show you something. So we have an unused patch, and I just want to show you. So when you sweat, it's gonna change the color. So the more sweat there is, the color is gonna be darker. And with this, we can actually check so the glucose concentration, the sweat rate, how much water we lost. We can check the sodium concentration and potassium concentration. So the first thing I want to compare is glucose. So here we have a spike. The spike in blood sugar level was actually the high intensity on the ski machine, and we can see the same thing with the Dexcom device, and it's the same thing with this gadget. The next thing we can compare is actually sodium and potassium, and we can see it's actually like the difference is less than 2%, so it's pretty accurate. We can compare with these gadgets. Now the next thing I want to point out is actually with sweat rate we can check how much water we lost and how much we need to intake. Also with sodium we can check how much sodium we lost and how much potassium we lost. Now I just want to mention this is really useful, not just for like normal people who wants to check their electrolytes, glucose, but also for professional athletes. Because as you know, during the competition, during the race, during the fight or whatever, we need to check our sodium and potassium levels, because especially during the period when we need to lower our body weight, we have to know how much potassium and how much sodium we're gonna lose, so we can actually replenish the same one. So it's pretty useful, not just for normal people, but also for like professional athletes that need to do their job and their preparation. Okay, so let me summarize. The best thing that we have is actually the data that we can see from the report. The most important thing is this. According to the data, we can see that we actually didn't have enough water intake during the workout, also not enough sodium, and the drink we had actually didn't have enough at all potassium. So all these things we just need to take more for a better result. Now let me summarize. You can check all these data with few gadgets, or you can have one small that can fit in your pocket, and you can have it on the go and work out anytime. Not just for professional athletes, although it's really useful. You can actually check all you need, and the most important thing, you can check your sugar level. So for any people who need that, they can have really easy. Okay, thank you all.